All right, it's that time of day for the end of day report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Reports. All right, so the Fed decided to leave interest rates exactly where they are, which is leaving them alone, keeping rates near that 0 point forever, seems to be the outlook. So, pretty much as what we expected. Taking a look here at the E-mini S&P 500, and we still have upside production from the prior rally alert, and there seems to be no end in sight. I mean, this is what happens when the Fed continues to pump liquidity into the market. All right, next up here is gold futures. All right, so gold futures again, extending the rally, extending the upside production from the prior rally alert as well. Overhead trend line resistance is the initial target. That's going to put us around 1770-ish. So we'll see if they can keep it going. Next up, we got the E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures. Same thing, but slipping a little bit here, but still the bulls managed to hold the market into the close. So still upside production from the prior rally alert here as well. Taking a look at crude oil futures, you can see here we had this crash alert and you've continued to get downside production, albeit not anything extraordinary, but again, same thing is that the bears have control of it for now. You hit that short-term top. Trend line support around the $59 mark is the initial target. How about the Russell My Hustle futures? Well, if you look at this one, you had this initial crash alert and then you had this downside production here. So again, trend line support is around the 2200 mark, and that looks to be the initial target on this one, as it would appear for right now that we put in a short-term top in the Russell. All right, next up we got the silver futures. As you can see here, once again, we're not getting a lot of upside production, but it's still upside production nonetheless from the prior rally alert. But you are now inside the Kumo cloud, so I'm anticipating that the market is going to try to test the upper end of the resistance and just trade in a sideways pattern, possibly gearing up for a run at the bullish pointer back toward the $30 mark. So this is getting interesting at the current level. Looking now at the Dow futures, you can see here continued upside production from the rally alert, and it appears to be no end in sight, no pullback coming. If you take a look at Bitcoin, all right, we had the crash alert, got that downside production, and as you can see here, this one is still looking like it's aiming toward the crash alert down here. So it is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. Again, this just keeps right on going. All right, just keeps right on going. All right, so that's all I got time for. Unfortunately, I got to cut it short. So I just wanted to give you guys the heads up. Not a lot of activity surrounding today's Fed announcement, but I think that we are about to see the result of continued liquidity being pumped into the stock market. So we will most likely be off to the races. All right. So with that being said, you know what it is. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.